me record from my side and let me share the screen. Guys, give you the recording permissions, you can record. Okay, if anyone is missing, let me know. I'll give you the recording permissions again. Fine, right? So this is your database, and if you can see, this is your batch 40 database. In case if I want to create a database using query, whatever we did using GUI, you can also complete that activity using query also. Again, you can complete any activity using the query, but using GUI, not all activities are possible. Okay, only some activities are possible using GUI, but with query you can complete any activity. I want to create a database using the query now. I just want to create a database using the query. What is the query to create the database?
Create database name.
So that is fine, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
As of now, your discussion, sir, the database will store in separate folder. I mean drive. So create a database name equal to disk is equal to path. I think.
Okay. Right. Anish, you have recording permissions. You can record. Okay. Let me open new query window. Okay. Let me open new query window. And let me try this one. Create database name. Okay, we'll go with Amazon this time. Amazon. Okay. So guys, can I create this? Can I execute this query? Is it going to be successful or it will be failed? If it is successful, how many data files and how many log files will be created, and which location it will be created, and what will be the database owner?
It will be successful, sir.
And
one log file created and one data file created on C drive, sir.
Okay, guys. I need answers from everyone. Is it successful or it will be failed? Yes or no? Successful means yes. Failed means no. I need answers from everyone. I want to see one no, guys. At least one no. I want to see. All are yes, successful only. Right. Okay. So there is no. Okay, fine. Let's create this. Let's execute this one. Click on execute button. Okay. So yes, we can create the database with the help of these 3 words. No need to give the whole thing, but these are mandatory. Forget about this file too. Okay, this was added manually, right? Now tell me, guys, you all said okay, correct only, successful only, but how many files will be created now? 2 files or 3 files? I need answers from everyone.
2 files.
How many files?
2 files, sir. Data file and
one log file, one data file.
MDF and LDF.
Very good. Okay, fine. So 2 files will be created. If you go to this one, okay, now you can see 2 files, one data file, Amazon MDF primary data file, and Amazon underscore LDF. Okay, if you want to see the extension, right click on it, go to properties. Every file will have its extension, guys. See here, .mdf, master data file. MDF means master data file. Okay, and if you see here, LDF. Okay, so you can see here the extension for the log file is .ldf, which is log data file. And for secondary data file, what would be the extension, guys, for batch 40? NDF. Go to the properties, and if you see here, you can see NDF. So guys, there are 3 types of files: primary data files, secondary data files, and log files. Actually 2 types of files only: data files and log files. Again, in the data files, you will have two types: primary data files, secondary data files. Master data files means MDF means primary only. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. There are 2 types of files. Data files and log files. Again, in the data files, we have 2 types: MDF files, NDF files. M means your primary data file, master data file, or primary data file you can call. master data files. And N means NDF file, next data file or new data file or secondary data file. Log files means log files only. There is no log files. You can call it as a transaction log files. Okay, there is no different files in the log file. Like log file is a single file entity only, transaction log file. Okay, so the extension for data files would be .mdf only. Guys, tell me how many MDF files will be there for a single database?
Only one, sir.
I have 100 data files. In that 100 data files, how many MDF files will be there? You don't confuse data files and MDF files. Okay, MDF is one type of data file. We have one more type, NDF files also. I'm having 100 data files in my database. Okay, so how many of them are MDF? How many of them are NDF?
NDF means we can specially created for the database. So we are
Primary
getting only
file, whatever
100.
they are, they are in MDF.
Only one
Sorry?
MDF file and the remaining are 99 is NDF, sir.
Is it correct, guys? Only one MDF, 99 NDF files?
No, sir.
No. Then what is the answer? I'm having 100 data files. How many MDF files will be there? How many NDF files will be there?
Sir, in primary, whatever they are in MDF, sir.
Sorry.
Primary. If they are in
Hmm.
primary, then they are in MDF.
Forget. See, primary, your MDF files are part of primary. Your NDF files are also part of data files. All data files are part of primary, guys. Log
Yes, sir.
files doesn't belong to any file group, but all data files are part of primary, can be part of primary.
Sir, NDF file means we are extend for the next level, na, sir. So MDF means in specific. So I think 100 MDF file means 100 data files means 100 MDF files, sir.
100 MDF files, huh?
One
Okay.
MDF and 99
So
NDF.
the answer is one MDF file, 99 NDF files, guys. Okay, so whenever I'm going to add a new file, again, I cannot add MDF file. Whenever you're adding, see here, actually, while creating the files, I did not change it to MDF or NDF. Simply, I have added batch file 2, automatically it was created as .ndf.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Only one MDF will be there per database. That is, see, multiple data files will be there. Don't confuse here. Data files can be multiple, but only one MDF file will be there. Remaining all other data files are NDF data files only. Clear, guys? If you want to add extra data file, that should be NDF only. It can't be MDF again, as MDF is already created with the database. Is it clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
One
Yes, sir.
MDF file per database. In case if you want to add extra data files, you can add it, but whatever files you are adding to the database, those are all files will be created as NDF files. Next data
Yes.
file or new data file.
The next data file means we adding new file to the database, right, sir?
Yes, yes. When you want to like add one more extra file to the database, the newly added file will be NDF file.
So it's manual procedure, and when we create database new, then automatically MDF will be
Yes,
created.
yes. MDF will be
Right.
created automatically with the database. But if you want extra data file, later after 1 year, MDF file is full. After 1 year, you want to add one more data file to the database. Then you have to choose NDF only. No need to choose. Whenever you add another file, automatically NDF file will be created for the database.
Got it, sir.
Everyone, any issues, any doubts here, please?
No, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
So whenever, so this is the query, guys. So I have like, we have a question. What about all these parameters? I haven't provided any of these parameters. I haven't provided the database owner. I haven't provided the location where it has to be created. Okay, lot of options are there, off on, lot of options are there, settings are there, but I haven't given any option here. Simply I gave only 3 words: database, create database, database name. How come it was created the database? Is it a good database? Can we use it as a regular manner, or it's not good database? We cannot use it. What is the answer, guys?
Sir, it's a
You
good
can use it,
database.
sir.
Good, we can use it, sir. Good database.
So the answer is, guys, remember one thing: whenever you're running a query, don't think only these 3 words are going to be executed. Okay, so there
Right.
are some default parameters that is going to be provided by the database engine. Database engine will add all these default parameters, guys. Whatever we are missing, the paths, file names, okay, compatibility levels, database owners, and all these settings are default parameters. Automatically, whenever you run this query, of course, you can see only these 3 words, but internally, the whole script ran. Okay, the whole script, it just executed the whole script. But we don't give these parameters, right? SQL Server will add those parameters to this query, and then it is going to execute that particular script. Then only the database is going to be created.
Yes, sir.
See, Anis, one point is, I did not tell for one MDF file 199 NDF files will be there. I just gave you a random number. It's not like one MDF file, 99 NDF files will be there. 19 is a random number. Okay, first of all, don't think in that way. Not for one MDF, 99 NDF files will be there. Nothing like that. For one database, you can consider the database. Okay, you cannot consider MDF file. For one database, multiple data files will be there. In that multiple data files, one data files must be MDF file. Remaining all other data files must be NDF files. But only one log file will be there for database. 99%, this is the best practice. If you want, you can add extra log file also. Clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Right? So I don't see Amazon database. What I have to do?
Refresh
Refresh.
it.
Okay,
Refresh, sir.
select the databases and refresh it. Then you can see Amazon database. This is how, okay, you can create new databases either using query or your GUI option. And that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss about these tables and all, how to create a table inside the database. Tomorrow we'll discuss tables. Next 2 days, we'll learn basics of T-SQL, okay, SQL language, how to create a table, okay, how to insert the records in the table, how to search the data, how to filter the data. These things we'll discuss. Okay, any issues, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, no, sorry for that. Tomorrow we'll meet at 7 a.m. Yeah,
This Amazon
Okay, sir.
also will be an MDF file right now or NDF?
tell me, you only tell me MDF or NDF file.
I think it will be NDF, sir.
Sorry,
NDF,
NDF,
next
not
database.
MDF.
Not MDF. NDF I'm thinking, sir. Is
Why?
it correct?
Why like that?
Already batch 40 is there, right, sir? So first
If
we
batch
create
40
database
is there, we cannot create for another database NDF file.
No, I'm saying that batch 40 is MDF, sir, master data file, and Amazon is NDF, next data file. Is it correct?
Why like that? Guys, is it correct?
It's no, sir. It's a new database, sir.
Vijay, it depends on the database, not on the whole SQL server. So don't think for the whole SQL server, I'll have only one MDF file.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, it depends on your database. For each database, you will have one MDF file. So
Okay.
Amazon will have its own MDF file. Batch 40 will have its own MDF file. Master database will have its own MDF. Model database will have its own MDF. TempDB will have its own MDF. MSDB will have its own MDF.
Yes, sir.
It depends on the
Yes, sir.
database, not on the whole server. Okay, don't think only one MDF file will be there for the whole server. One MDF file will be there for the whole database, not for the whole server. Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Any issues? Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
So right. So what about this Diwali? Right. Everyone is okay for Diwali class, or no, sir? We'll skip for Diwali. What is your plan?
No
problem, sir.
We'll
We'll
skip.
attend.
Everyone has to agree, then only I'll take the class. See, in case if one person is also having trouble, I don't take the class. I have to respect
will
all
attend, sir. No problem.
opinions.
Sir, we'll skip.
That's what.
We'll skip, sir.
That's what. Again, some people might be interested, some people might not be
No,
interested.
sir. Festival is everyone for.
So that's why. So if even one person is having a trouble, no problem, guys. Simply I'm going to skip the class for that day. Okay. Right. So plan it tomorrow. Let me know whether we can continue. If everyone says yes, then I'll take the class on Thursday. If no, then there is no class on Thursday. Okay. Right. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow at 7 a.m. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.